Check this out, everybody. Electric jet skis are here. Except this is the only one. This is it. It's called an Orca. What in the world? Why can't I open it? We just had it open. Anyways, it has that's what it looks like. It's kind of weird. You get 2.5, I believe, hours of runtime. It's $26,000. So this is a 23 model. And what do you think? It's probably not as good as, I mean, a Sea-Doo is like banging hot, you know? It's like just mind-blowing stuff, right? And half the price. Look at this guy. Is $12,000. That one's 26.